Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. It is chilly. Heading down to do some feeding. Got Jackson and Bella with me. And it is really cold this morning. I think the ground's probably frozen. I can feel the crunching of the gravel that it's frozen underneath my feet. Good morning. Good morning, Llama brothers. Good morning. Hey guys. Hey guys. Ready? You wanna give me a kiss? You don't? You guys hungry this morning? I'm hungry. Like the dogs are trying to get some water, but the water bucket's frozen. What's the matter, guys? You got some ice stopping you from getting into the water? Y'all like ice? I don't like ice. Let's break the ice. You want to break the ice? Y'all weren't thirsty, were you? Somebody's shooting a gun this morning. Too cold outside to be doing that. Let's see if we can get in here and give them some food. Got the black pearl in the barn. I've been working on it. If anybody knows anything about repossessed vehicles, they're pretty nasty. The people that let them get repoed usually don't take great care of them. So I've got the interior out of this one. I got the doors off. I got the carpet out. I'm cleaning and vacuuming the seats, and well, I got the seats out, cleaning them with a carpet cleaning machine, but the floor pans and all the wiring harnesses and everything up underneath here I pulled back to basically just get the starting point, which is the floor, clean and dirt free and all the grime and stuff out of there. And then I've got to pull the back seats out today to finish getting the carpet out of here, because the carpet goes underneath the rear seats, and you got to get the seats out to fish it out of there. So, project I started yesterday, I hope to have it back together today. I got a pretty good payday. I got, I don't know, a third of a coffee cup full of coins. A lot of quarters and dimes and nickels and pennies in there. So, thought that was pretty good. Sorry guys, I was showing them the black pearl and how I'm cleaning out the interior. Here comes your breakfast. All right, dogs are still hitting that water bucket. Oh, these guys are eating. I came down last night. I was working on the Jeep and I left the barn lights on because I thought I was going to come back down. I went up to the house to get something, and I don't know, an hour later after not coming back, I saw the lights on, so I had to come down here to turn out the lights, and it was pretty cold, probably around 10 o'clock, and these guys were not in their stall. They were out in the woods laying down. They prefer that for some reason. I was going to see if the horses wanted to come down and get some hay. I don't see them. Boy, is it cold out here. I see them up in the sun. Here they come. I just threw some hay out right there. They're taking their time coming down. Cookie! I see her up the hill. See her up there? But she's not coming to get her hay. Come on! Hi, Jackson. Here comes Cookie. You got to go through the gate. Through the gate, come on. There, she found it. Let's see if Wolf can find it. Easy. And there's Mr. Wolfie. What's the matter, Bella? Uh-oh. Wolf's got a cough. Jack. Hey, come on. How'd you get over there? Whoa. Cookie might get you. Well, let's close up this feed room, see if the llamas are having, cool, if they're having all the rest of their pellets, and we give them some hay so they can be in a good mood. There we go. Hey guys, got you some hay here. Looks like they already had a pretty good haystack left from last night. Boy, is it cold out here. Well, I'm gonna walk back up because I am cold. I'm gonna go drink some coffee. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna edit this video down, throw it up on YouTube. Hope everybody's having a great day, Sunday, last day before going back to work tomorrow. So look at that sun coming through the woods. Beautiful. All right, until next time, everybody have a great day.